A company from Denmark is supporting Ghana with a plan to ensure that 40% of people living in the country's rural and peri-urban areas have access to safe and clean water. As the project progresses, the Vice President and Chief Executive of Grandfos, Mr. Stefan Simonita, and his team have inspected the Abomosu Municipal water system located at Etiwa West District in the Ghana's eastern region. The Abomosu community is predominantly a cocoa growing and mining area with a population of about 8,000.
The Abomosu Grandfos water system took over non-functioning water systems from the Community Water and Sanitation Agency, CWSA, retrofitted them with Grandfos equipment and is being managed under a public-private partnership agreement with the Community Water and Sanitation Agency. Prior to Grandfos's intervention, the community relied on untreated water from streams and private wells. Surrounding illegal mining activities have badly polluted surface water sources. The system's capacity provides a daily 120 meter cube of drinking water to municipal water. The first smart and sustainable water system was installed by Grandfos Ghana Water Initiative and has 2 boreholes run by Grandfos SP731 pumps. Borehole 1 is solar powered and the grid using Grandfos RSI and Power Adapt. The utility plant has water treatment and storage, 7 AQ tap and 300 smart prepaid water meters and more than 19 kilometers of distribution pipe infrastructure. The Vice President and CEO of Grandfos, Mr. Stefan Simonita, said the company originates from Denmark with 83 subsidiaries worldwide and has been actively providing water solutions in Ghana.
Our team has done a fantastic job over the last 4-5 years. I start to see that we could scale up, but we still need to decide. And that is why we need local partnership. We cannot do that alone. And I'm very encouraged by what I see locally with the partnership between us, with our channel partners, with some of our distributors, but also with the public sector.
The technical manager for the Grandfos project in Ghana, Mr. Francis Tayo, is upbeat that this project will help solve the world's climate and water challenges, placing sustainability at their core.
Here, we are yet to implement the jar or the 20-liter jar container in this community. This place, we are only delivering water to households and then to ACTAPs. And then here, we have employed smart household meters to make sure that there's transparency in our revenue collection, and then the efficiency is that high to make sure that we are able to sustain the running of this small town pipe water system.
Without a doubt, the beneficiaries were happy with the water project initiative in their community.
Looking for water from long distances is now a thing of the past. Non-residents of this community are also impressed about the novel water system.
The Ghana Water Initiative, which is a project by Safe Water, a strategic business unit within Grandfos, seeks to reach 1 million people in underserved communities in Ghana by 2026 with potable water that is easily accessible, reliable, sustainable and efficiently run. Their target is to help reach 300 million people with good water and reach net zero emissions by 2050.